Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Police Training School of Umran conducts one-day symposium on women's safety. St. Gabriel's High Secondary School, Upper Shillong inaugurates Schools Park. St. Joseph Lightcore Parish celebrates the feast of St. Joseph, and Hima Khat Lingdo Weaving Handloom and Handicraft Union organizes its fourth program in Ripoy district. Another news in detail. The Police Training School of Umran conducted a one-day symposium on women's safety sponsored by the Bureau of Police Research and Development, New Delhi at the State Convention Centre in Shillong. The inaugural function was attended by Srimati I. Nongrang, Special Director General of Police, Meghalaya, as the chief guest. The objective of the symposium is to consolidate the efforts of all stakeholders to ensure the safety, security and well-being of women and children in the state. St. Gabriel's High Secondary School, Upper Shillong today inaugurated the school's park. The park was blessed by Archbishop Victor Lingdo of Shillong Archdiocese. Meghalaya and MLA of Milim Assembly Constituency Hamlet Darling was the chief guest. Present on the occasion were Parish Priest Father Paulus Palamattam, Sister Modesta Khongphai, the principal of the school, members of Parish Pastoral Council, teachers and students. The program began with a prayer followed by hosting of the school's flag.
To be a successful person, you should have three qualities in life. Three qualities in life you should have. Number one, you should be mentally fit. Number two, physically fit. And number three, spiritually fit. Spiritually fit, you'll get the blessing, you'll get the guidance from the church. They will help you about spiritually fit.
St. Joseph Lightcore Parish yesterday celebrated the feast of St. Joseph. On this day, St. Joseph's Lightcore Parish felicitated the mint laity of the parish for their dedicated service that they have rendered to the parish and the church for the last many years. On this day, some of the mint laity belonging to Block A Lightcore Catholic Unit joined the Catholic Mint organization called Sing Rangba Balang Catholic of St. Joseph's Parish.
Presiden Jong Parish, Presiden Jong Lightlock, dan ai yang kini ideal kini
Today, the 21st March 2022, a sports coaching camp, Parivartan Prison to Pride, a project of Indian Oil Corporation, was launched at Shillong District Prison. This project is launched in prisons across the country. These sports coaching camp are projects to coach prison inmates for different sports activities by professional sports person in collaboration with the entire team of Inspector Generals across the country.
All the executive directors and executive director Mr. Ramesh, who is here with me. I think I feel that there's no other better way of sending a message to the inmates in the various prisons of India that they are not the unwanted section of society. That society still remembers them, that they are still part of the society. This is a very clear message being sent to them, and for this we owe to Indian Oil. We hope that we continue this partnership with us, and in fact we'll be offering Indian Oil 2 sites to put up a retail outlet, and if everything works out well, our partnership with Indian Oil will continue for a very, very long time. Thank you Indian Oil for this noble venture, and thank you for partnering with us in transforming these lives. Thank you very much, and may Indian Oil continue to prosper. Thank you.
With a view to preserve the traditional weaving and music, the Hima Khat Lingdo Weaving Handloom and Handicraft Union has organized its fourth program at Maupro village in Ripoy district. The program was attended by MLA Mirol Bonds Aim as a chief guest and 2 MDCs Balajit Rani and Magdalene S. Maulong.
Habang ikren ia ka konsyor kajing penne persa. Ka kentuk nadu ka ktin kesini. Nadu ka riam ka bek. Adu ka kom im bat kumta persa. Namar ha kajing ya inti kajing ya be ya kajing nang kajing stan. Ha kajuk ka pementang. Nila persang bania be. Nila kumplet no. Ia ketenrai jong lejong. Kalak bendai ka riam, kalak bendai ka ktin keselit. Kelak bendai kerkom im, kerkom yat, kerkom yat. Bengi keren sepang kejong lejong, bengi sau sorong ya kejong lejong. Ngeken mau hagi por kiba idang lit skul. Kirim sibun ki porlok, jungi na ridhoi. Kiba menran keren kitin hoi halaban. Kita bunti.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.